Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today, working on an exciting project. We're going to build a shop table. It's long overdue. Got plenty of old fence posts from pulling out the old fence last summer. Cut these up and use them for our table legs. And there we have it, the first of many shop tables. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Wholesome Homesteader community. We'll see you next time. I think I'm in frame. Hope so. If not, good photoshopping. Yeah. I need binoculars.